What about equations then? We can also have polynomial equations. A polynomial equation is one in which both sides of the equation are polynomials. Now remember again, just a number also counts as a polynomial. So polynomial equals number is still a polynomial equation. Here's an example of a polynomial equation. X squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0 would be a simple example of a polynomial equation. And we recognize a solution to a polynomial equation in the usual way. A solution to a polynomial equation is choices of values for all the variables that makes the equation true. So to continue this example, x equals -2 is a solution of this equation, since when we plug in -2, we get 4 plus 6 minus 10, which really does equal 0. Now, as we saw from the absolute value example, when functions of some form are not one-to-one, equations involving that function tend to have multiple solutions. So to continue even further with our example, x equals 5 is also a solution to that polynomial equation we mentioned earlier, since when we plug in x equals 5, we'll get 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 10, which will be 25 minus 15 minus 10, which again gives us 0. It turns out these are the only two solutions of this polynomial equation. We'll see how we find those later on.